Hi guys, it's Jose Lopez here with the Karachi morning class. This is called an automatic external defibrillator, also known as the AED. So here are your adult pads. This delivers a shock to bring back the rhythm of cardiac arrest or during CPR processes. There are different types of sticky notes. They're pediatric and these are adults. So what you want to do is place one of these right here on the side, right here on the external side as well. For pediatrics, it's one side and the other side together. So what we do is connect the adult pads, turn it on, and then you'll be able to connect your pads to an adult. It should say
Analyzing heart rhythm.
call rhythm first, and it should say deliver shock.
Do not touch the patient. Shock advised.
That's when you deliver a shock.
Charging. Stay clear of patient. Deliver shock now. Shock delivered.